Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're just going to go into a kind of general all-around update. Fully moved into the new house, fully set up in the garage, got everything kind of where I want it. I'll quickly show you guys that after this. And then I also got the Camaro over here. So that's a big part. That was the last thing I had to move from the previous house. And everything went really well. Until we were unloading, and you guys might have seen my rear mounted trans cooler install. Really nice little install that I did on the rear of the Camaro, product from Duraley. They got a lot of different products, coolers and stuff like that. Well, we were getting ready to unload it and it rolled literally like 6 inches and hit the winch mounted on the trailer and actually ended up ripping the fan shrouding off and bending a couple fins. I was able to straighten the fins. The cooler is fine. And I was able to just purchase the fan. It's a direct replacement. It was only like $60 compared to the $200 for the whole kit again. Plus they include other hardware to adapt it to other coolers and stuff like that. Mount it wherever you want. So save myself some money, and you can do that vice versa if you have their products. Let's say your cooler goes bad on you, you can replace it and keep your fan, or replace your fan and keep your cooler, you know, save yourself some money. Instead of me spending $200, I spent $60 instead. Now, yeah, it would have been nice to not spend any money on it, but accidents happen, and I'm not really even gonna show a video on the install because it's literally 4 11mm nuts that you just remove. Takes you about 30 seconds. Take the old fan down, unhook the wiring, throw the new fan in, connect the wiring. It's already all there. So that's why that's there. But other than that, I'll show you around the garage real quick and show you around the Camaro. But this is actually a really nice high output fan. It's actually only an 8-inch fan and it's 500 CFM, so it's really strong. It's gonna be great for a trans cooler. So, you know, we'll see where it goes. Hopefully I don't break this one. But starting off from the front of the garage, just got the door to the entrance of the house. Shop fan, that sweet Tecton flag that they sent me, America. Got the standard mini fridge and little cabinet down here. Little blower off the funny car that's not good anymore. Little souvenir. 52-inch Husky flat black toolbox that I've had for a while. My Matco service cart. Got my fan mounted up there. I'm going to use this kind of plastic shielding to run the cable down to a plug so it looks nice and clean. It's a cracked firewall out of the funny car. It's kind of the collages that we get from every race that we win. And then the rest of my flags. Well, I got my grill and cherry picker over here for now. I still got to kind of fit it into the corner over here. But Camaro's here as well, finally. I'll be doing some updates on this. Got to get to work on this thing. Haven't touched it in a little while. So, as you can see, a little bit of dust in here. Still in the process of installing all my gauges and everything. And then my shifter will be next once I get all the wiring and everything done for the gauges. Then besides that, over here on this wall, got some shelving for chemicals and stuff, trying to keep that stuff away from the ground so my child doesn't get into it. Not that it makes a big difference because I have more chemicals over here, but then I got my hardware over here in my cabinet and some other stuff, but maybe you guys can see. There's the fan just kind of dangling. I have already dismounted it, but it's really hard to see, but it's pretty tore up. So I'll go ahead and get that replaced, but other than that, that's the kind of update and everything. I don't know if I was really showed you guys this over here. It's that power tool rack that I put together and mounted. think it turned out pretty nicely. And then I'll eventually get this creeper crapper hung up right there. But that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.